Good morning, guys. I hope you're doing great and staying safe, and happy finals week. This unit plan is named Converting to Space, and it's for 5th grade, and it was created by Sarah and myself. Our standards are SC5E 5.2, and it's recognize the major common characteristics of all planets and compare and contrast the properties of inner and outer planets. The math standard is MAFS 5.MD.1.1, and it's convert among different size measurement units within a given measurement system and use these conversions in solving multi-step real-world problems. So for our first lesson, the students will be identifying the different measurement units and converting them within the given measurement system. So students will be doing everything with learning all of the different conversions, and for one of the lesson plans, they will be measuring items that they have found within the classroom and writing an estimate link with an actual length after they measure. So they're gonna kind of just guess what they think it's gonna be, measure it, and then they're gonna compare their two answers. At the end of the lessons, the students will be journaling about what they have learned. Another thing that they are doing in this first lesson is they are doing a measurement puzzler, and they are going to be matching all of the measurements within their own little system. And then for lesson 2, students will be applying their conversion skills to measure items in kilometers and meters, and they are going to start out the lesson by completing a Metric Mania worksheet involving conversions. So at first they're going to be writing down the abbreviations for all of the different measurements, such as kilometers would be km, meters would be m, and then they will go on to actually converting different measurements. And then students will be given Hello My Name stickers, Hello My Name Is stickers with different conversions on them, and they're going to have to find their matching partner when converting what is on the sticker. So if they're going to have 2 yards on their sticker, they're going to find someone that has maybe 6 feet on their sticker, and they're going to match each other and kind of just do the converting within themselves. And then another thing that they are going to be doing in a station is they will be measuring themselves. So they will have a tape measure, and they'll measure themselves in inches, and they will convert it to meters, or they can convert it to feet, and just see how many different ways they can convert it while being in that station. And for lessons 3 and 4, Sarah will be talking about those, and I just...
For lesson 3, we had students analyze the major common characteristics of the planets. We use many different resources that we found, and we had them working on small groups to research information about planets, and then coming together as a class and talking about what they found. For the groups we did, students will have Play-Doh, and they will describe the different planets using measurements and how big the planets are and whatnot. For the next one, we did, they were basically doing planet research, where they research each planet, and then so that was for lesson 3. And then lesson 4, the students will be creating their own real-world problems, creating them to the measurement system. The students will start the lesson by matching measurements to the real-world objectives individually. That would be if students had a picture, they would convert it to the measurement, and then find the measurement that matched it. Then the students will be working in small groups to convert the planets to the size of the fruit. If the Earth was a cherry tomato, what size would all the other planets be? And they would come up with the different fruits that they found. And then our last slide is a Pinterest slide, and this is where we found all of our group activities and worksheets and resources.